Ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to go grab a salt shaker, take a couple of grains of salt, and then take them before we watch this video. But before you do, don't use all your salt because A, that would be bad for your health, and then B, there is a chance we're going to have a 36-hour ice event happening around the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th of December in Texas. All right, so let's get to it. This is the 00Z GFS, and this is hour 270. This is when it begins on Thursday, December 8th. Fast forward 6 more hours to hour 276. Watch as the iceth, it grows. And if you'll see, it's not just Texas, it extends up, and then here will be a snow line. All right, here we moveth the time forward 6 more hours to hour 282. And you can see that the ice is the pink stuff is extending down souther and extends to borders across Texas. We are now into hour 288 and the ice continues to spread. And we are into Friday, December 9th. We are now into hour 294 forecast hour. Remember, this is 10 days out, so nobody knows. And the models have been pretty sketchy lately because the atmosphere has been mildly wild. And so, yeah, the ice continues to grow. We're at hour 300. And there's still ice, but it is mixing with the rain. And then the iceth, it started to leave on the end of December 9th, which is Friday. All right. So if you know me, you know that I am big on ice awareness. So any amount of time we have to prepare for any ice days you might get are good. Another thing that you and I will be looking at, talking about in this here video, is how much rain will the West Coast be getting over the next week or two. I've seen some model estimates that say parts of Southern California could get over 10 inches of rain. And then East Coasters, watch as you will have a wave after wave after wave storm coming. Boom. See that on the West Coast? That was pretty significant, followed by another storm, boom, and then more moisture. And we have seen some models show, some pretty heavy precipitation coming with some of these storms possible around a week or two from now. So we will continue to watch and look because that is what we do. All right? Cool. Fantastic. Yeah, this QPF run showed Southern California possibly getting anywhere from 10.8 to 11.1 inches of rain, with 7 up the coast, 4, 5, and even 4 up into San Francisco, and then the mountainous areas getting quite a bit of inches of rain or snow. But right now, the models are just going to be kind of hit and miss on how much it could get. This model suggests 8.5 inches here, not as much down south, and then 15.8 inches up there. So we'll just keep tracking it. And it's late night, weather nerding out. We're still looking out for the day 4 storm on the 29th for Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, and maybe parts of Texas. We got a warning on this thing. It has an orange bean in it now. We got a warning on that thing 7 days out, which is usually an indicator of a major massive storm coming. And so this whole area will be watching for severe weather and possible heavy rains and floods. And then high winds up here, heavy snow along here, much below average temperatures, more high winds. And this storm that just moved through Texas and parts of Louisiana definitely was impressive on a lot of levels, in my opinion. Ooh, so many pretty colors signifying winter weather. Here we're looking at the latest map showing rainfall that is happening. You can definitely see heavy rain throughout here. And then up through here is that is the storm that is now moving out and will push through the north and east. Then you got more storms coming in and some snow down in here. I do hope everyone had a super duper wonderful Thanksgiving week. It's technically Sunday, which means Monday's tomorrow. But you still got like 23 and a half hours to enjoy the weekend. So please do. All right. So here we're looking at mixed precipitation over the next 48 hours. And, we will look in about 48 hours from now is when the big storm down here event will take place. So we'll continue to watch out for it. Yeah, so we're definitely going to be looking out for possible end of November tornadoes on the 29th, which I do believe is a Tuesday. All right, so I'm just letting the weather weenies know we're up late. All right, stay cool. God bless everyone.